Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to solve word problems by comparing them. By comparing the numbers or the addends, or we are going to just look at the numbers and the word problems and see how we can compare them and solve them. So let's start by reading the word problems and see how our pictures here can help us. Let's read it first. Gerald buys 10 apples at the store. Christina buys 5 apples at the store. How many fewer apples did Christina buy than Gerald? A key word here that I want you to pay attention to. Fewer than. Fewer than, you're going to see it often when we are comparing. And we have a group on top and we have the group on the bottom. And when we have that, we are going to just put it together to figure out what would be our answer. So let's see. Gerald buys 10 apples at the store. So that is the first. Oh, let me change the color. The first number that we're going to put here. So 10, because that's in the total amount. Gerald buys 10 apples at the store. Christina buys 5 apples at the store. When we're comparing and it says fewer than, we're subtracting. So the question here is how many fewer apples did Christina buy than Gerald? So when we are solving these problems, this is mainly just thinking and reasoning and trying to figure out what are the things that they are asking us for. So in this case, we are going to compare these two. Let's compare them. So this is the same here, same here. This is the extra from here down. So that's what we are going to have as a result. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our answer. Because we are comparing them. Oh, I didn't get to change the color. We are actually comparing them. So as you can see, 10 minus 5 equals 5. And that we can actually see. Because if we have 10 all the way and we take away 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? Then 5 fewer apples. Now I'm going to ask you to pause the video and to try to solve this problem on your own. The next one. Alright, so now let's continue. Beth writes on 3 cards. Joseph writes on 9 cards. How many fewer cards did Beth write than Joseph? And again, we see the words fewer than, and that is comparing. So Beth writes 3 cards on 3 cards. Joseph writes on 9 cards. How many fewer cards did Beth write on than Joseph? So again, I know that the greater amount is going to be 9. That's our greater amount. Then we have 3 cards, so we're going to subtract 3. So let's see, you see here, 1, 2, 3. So the rest is going to be the answer. So let's count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is our answer. So 6 fewer cards. Alright, I hope that video was helpful. And if you find it helpful, please share it with your friends.